Okay. I've said it like a million times now, but I will say this once again. Melissa is so damn sensitive. Okay? I've said this like a million times now, because she's weird and sensitive, which I'm about to show you. And besides me telling you that she is sensitive when you push her buttons, turn her knob, opening and closing her lid, well, she can do more parts of where she's sensitive at. Okay, we're gonna do this again like I did back in 2021. Here is an example of why my machine is sensitive. She knows when you're opening the lid. She knows that you're opening it. You know why? Because she has sensors on her lid lock. And she also knows that you're gonna close the lid after you just leave her alone for like 5 straight minutes. And she's also sensitive when you touch her knob. Sensitive, ain't she? And every single button that you touch when she's off, she'll automatically turn on. This button turns her on, this one turns her on, and that one turns her on, and the rest of this just turns her on. And also for that start button, I'd rather not push it. Now let me show you something else. It is quite bizarre and confusing. Watch what happens when you spin her tub with just your hand. And watch her display. She knows that you're spinning it. She's like incredibly smart. She knows what you're doing to her. She knows that you're spinning her basket. So not only she's sensitive to button presses or lid opening or knob turning or whatever, she's sensitive when you turn her tub like this. She knows that you're spinning it. How bizarre is that? And let me show you another ridiculous part. You see this magnet right here? Don't mind me holding that blue magnet down because if I let go, this happens. Are you kidding me? That little movement, that wee little bit movement of that blue magnet. That's ridiculous. That's so ridiculous. And here's another thing that I find weird about Melissa. She won't agitate without any water. I mean, really, she will not agitate without any water. For some reason. I'm gonna press this. That activates agitation. But since there's no water, she'll do this. And give you that. Well, I don't think that counts as her being sensitive, but I don't really care. Like, literally, it's ridiculous. It's bizarre. And also, this button right here wakes her up from her sleep. Like I said before, and I've said this like a million times now, she is sensitive everywhere.